Now that you have completed the finalization process, all that's left to do is ship your completed kit back to Studentreasures. When preparing your kit for shipping, please include the following items in your shipment back to Studentreasures. Your kit materials need to be in the following order: cover sheet, title and dedication pages, book pages in numbered order, and your author's page will be last. You will also include your completed orange payment envelope with any parent payments included inside. Don't forget to fill out the front of the envelope with your information, and be sure to include all signed parent order forms, even those marked no. You will also need to print your order confirmation page to include in your kit. Select Print and verify that all the information on your order confirmation page is correct. After you've shipped your completed kit into Studentreasures, you can log back into your account and come back to the Manage Classrooms page to track your order status and download parent payment lists for your records. For more details on packing up your kit, you can refer to your teacher's guide included within your kit, and you can follow us on YouTube for more helpful videos from Studentreasures. Thank you so much for joining us today. We can't wait to see what your students have created.